Hello, foodie friends! Welcome back to our kitchen, where we're whipping up a healthy, delicious dinner. Today, it's all about air fryer Cajun chicken thighs, a low-calorie, keto-friendly dish packed with spicy flavor. Let's start by grabbing 4 skin-on, bone-in chicken thighs. Pat them dry with paper towels to ensure that crispy, golden skin we all love. Pop them into a bowl, and let's get cooking. Now let's create our Cajun spice blend. Mix 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning, or make your own with smoked paprika, a pinch of cayenne, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, oregano, salt, and pepper. This gives our chicken a bold, smoky kick. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil over the thighs, then sprinkle and rub the seasoning all over. Look at that vibrant color. Let it sit for a few minutes to soak up the flavors. Time to fire up the air fryer. Preheat it to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes to ensure even cooking. Lightly spray the basket with cooking spray to prevent sticking. Place the chicken thighs skin side up, making sure they don't overlap. This is the secret to crispy, golden perfection. Pop the basket in and cook for 18 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, flipping halfway through for even crispiness. Check that the internal temperature hits 75 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit with a meat thermometer. Look at that sizzling golden skin. The air fryer makes this healthy and effortless with barely any oil. And voila, your Cajun chicken thighs are ready. Plate them up, sprinkle with fresh parsley for a pop of color, and add lemon wedges for a zesty touch. Pair with a fresh salad or roasted veggies for a weight loss-friendly meal. This is perfect for meal prep or a quick, flavorful dinner. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, share your valuable comments, and share it in social groups, which will motivate us to deliver more delicious recipes. Drop a comment below to tell us how your chicken turned out, and stay tuned for more healthy air fryer recipes. See you soon!